Hey guys, it's Dami here from Clientele Boosters, and today you're going to get a crash course in how to use SEMrush to check out the SEO of any website. Let's jump into it. All right, so the first thing you want to do is to download and pay for the SEMrush tool. I suggest you go with the at least beginner plan so you can start to use at least some of the features that will be discussed today in this short webinar. So if you click home, the first thing it will do is will take you to all of the websites in which you are currently tracking. So these are a lot of our clients across the country and the world. And then we'll go ahead to where it says SEO. We'll hover it around here, and we're going to go to keyword overview. So this is where we can literally either type in a keyword and or type in a website. Now, I like to type in websites so I can figure out where something is ranking in Google. So let's just say I go to what's a big company's name? Let's just say we go to McDonald's, right? And I click on McDonald's here, McDonald's Australia, boom, boom, and I slap this. Actually, this is the keyword section. Okay, so we've gone ahead and we've put mcdonalds.com.au in this section. And here we can see a few things. Let's focus on a few key things for today. So this is the top organic keywords mcdonalds.com.au is ranking for. Okay, they're ranking for 263,000 keywords in Google, which is crazy. Okay, now there's 4 different types of intent when it comes to SEO. There's informational, and that's 40% of the keywords. So 40% of their keywords are informational keywords. This is when people are trying to learn about something. As an example, an informational phrase is, what is a chicken nugget? Not where is chicken nuggets, that's more navigational. Not McDonald's chicken nuggets, that's more commercial. Not how much a chicken nugget, it's what is a chicken nugget. That's an informational keyword phrase, right? And there's navigational, which is like where's the nearest McDonald's, how to get to McDonald's, and it's commercial. And that's an example of usually something with the name of the company. So McDonald's fries, McDonald's this, and then there's transactional, which is some sort of cost-related inquiry. Okay. So if we click view details for the top organic keywords, you can click view, and it's going to show you a plethora of keywords that it's ranking for in Google. Okay. So again, we can look at the keywords in Australia. There's 280,000 keywords in Australia ranking in Google for this website. 2.5 million people are coming to this website every single month. Okay. As you can see, if you hover around it, this is the number of users to visit and analyze domain in the following month on the condition that the average amount of the monthly organic traffic stays relatively the same. Then here is the traffic cost. So this is how much they're probably spending, the estimated average monthly cost to rank for organic keywords in Google Ads. So there's SEO, where you're ranking organically, and there's Google Ads, which is pay-per-click marketing, where you're bidding to try and get traffic or clicks to a certain keyword. Okay, so let's look at these things. Here where it says Alice Springs Macca's. So here where it says Alice Springs Macca's, okay, they're position 1 that are looking for this search term every single month. But out of these 40 people, 32 out of 40 people are coming directly to their website, which is crazy. Now, here where it says KD, that stands for keyword difficulty. And basically, the lower the number, the easier it is to rank on Google. The higher the number, the harder it is to rank on Google. So here where it says 27, that's easy. You will need quality content focused on the keyword's intent, and that's something that can probably rank in Google. And the easy is relative, right? Because it's McDonald's that we're talking about, but something that probably can rank on Google in a couple of months. Whereas something like this, that's red, McDo meals, that has 1,000 searches a month, okay, and 800 people of this website are going there, which is awesome, but that has a difficulty of 70. Hard. You will need lots of high quality referencing domains and optimized content. Okay, so they're ranking on page 1 for all these different keywords. Position 1, page 1. Okay, a ton of keywords. Position 1, page 1. Position 1, page 1, and they're ranking for that hundreds of thousands of keywords. So if we go to the next page, let's get something that's page 2 or 3 or 5. They're going to have a lot on page 1. So if we skip ahead a little bit, let's just say I put in page 10, okay? All right, still on page 1. But as you can see here, Look at these different search terms, like Warrington McDonald's, Hot Honey Macca's, Restaurant McDonald's. These are all keywords that they're still on page 1 of Google for. Let's go to page 1100. Oh, all right. You have to upgrade to another level. Truthfully, if you have less than 50 pages that you're ranking for, that usually doesn't happen, but it's trying to get us to upgrade to something else. Okay, good. Here. Oh, let's go to page 100. Beautiful. Okay, so here, open for breakfast near me now. That's position 3, page 1. And again, 590 people are searching for this term every single month. The difficulty is easy, not very easy. Very easy is usually sub 15. Yep. And then yellow is usually about like moderate, possible. There you go. Okay. So position 3, page 1 of Google. So that means under the Google ads, the words or the websites that are ranking underneath that, the third website that will pop up will be mcdonalds.com.au/menu breakfast for the search term open for breakfast near me now, right? So let's see if we can go to page 200. Okay, cool. So I'm trying to get something that's on page 2 or page 3, but that's okay. What you can see here is that whilst the volume for search terms are interesting, like for example, there's 1,600 people per month that are searching MCD Happy Meal toy, because they are not on the position 1 of Google, position 1, page 1, but they're still on page 1, a portion of the traffic is still coming, but it's significantly less than the things that they were page 1, position 1 for in Google. So 3 out of 1,600 people are coming to them for this phrase. But prior to that, it was like 800 people, 660, etc. So a big part of SEO is also making sure that you are not just ranking on page 1 of Google, but you also have what's called CRO. We're not going to talk about CRO today. That stands for conversion rate optimization, which basically is making it easy for people that land on the website to navigate through the website to make a decision. But again, I'm just showing you examples. So here where it says traffic, this is a percentage of the people that are actually visiting. So for example, if we go back to the total number, there is 2.5 million people that are coming to the website every single month. It's saying that for the term McDonald's burger calorie, as an example, even though they're position 3, page 1 on Google, and 50 people searching for it every month, the 3 people that are coming to their site equates to less than 0.01% of the total 2.5 million 2.5 million people that are coming to the site every month. So this is the percentage of people that are coming to the site relative to the overall traffic in the site. Okay. So again, because it's yellow, it's possible. Dark green is very easy. As I said, if it's under 15, it's usually very easy in difficulty, right? So I'll give you guys the trick. What you usually want to do is you want to start with the low-hanging fruit, the words that are very easy to rank. And then you want to be able to start focusing on things that are easy and then possible and then hard. Okay? So let's get to one other part of SEMrush for today's webinar. On page, okay, this is a good one. Crown Casino, job opportunities. Okay, so it says position 22. So roughly speaking on Google, about 8 to 10-ish search terms that are organic are going to fit on each page of Google. So here if I zoom in, where it says 22, that means that's on page 3, the top of page 3 of Google, and there's 1,000 people that are searching for it every single month. And the page that they're going to is careers.mcdonalds.com.au. Out of the 1,000 people, 1 person is coming to the site every single month. Okay? All right, so today is a very quick crash course in how to use some of SEMrush. These are the core things that you guys can use to do audits on your own company's website and